So number 5, everybody had agreed on that after I fixed it. And number 6, everybody had also agreed on that one, but I didn't have to fix anything. Now on number 6, we're going to utilize this picture for number 6 to answer questions right below. And the main reason that I have these questions below is it reminds us a little bit of notation that we had learned, what was that, like last Monday. And so it's a good refresher. And number 7 says, locate on the graph in problem 6 the following values. So on number 7, we are supposed to find f of 0. F of 0, that means that I am looking for the y value when x is 0. Or another way to look at that is that I'm trying to find the ordered pair that has an x value of 0. And I want to know what the y value is. So if the x value is 0, based on our graph, what would the y value be? -3. So if we look, you're confused, honest. So if we look at this ordered pair, which is for our vertex, its ordered pair says the x value is 2 and the y value is -3. So that doesn't quite work because I can't have a 2 where I want to have a 0. So what point in our graph has an x value of 0? Yeah, that point right on the y-axis, the y-intercept. It has an x value of 0, and it has a y value of 1. And so the answer for f of 0 is equals 1. This is the answer. So we look on the graph for an x value of 0, and we find that as a y value of 1. Now on number 8 says f of 2. On f of 2, this is essentially saying that we are supposed to find the y value when x is 2. Or another way to look at it is we know on an ordered pair that the x value of 2, and we are supposed to figure out what is that y value. What do we think it would be? Yeah, it's going to be -3 because it happens to be our vertex that's labeled. That means f of 2 equals -3. -3 is our answer. Number 9 is f of -1. I'm probably getting more comfortable with this now. So f of -1 is asking us for the y value when x is -1. Or we're essentially trying to find the ordered pair that starts with an x value of -1, and we want to know the y value. So you think it's, wait, no, it's going to be up there because we need an x value of -1. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it is 6. I'll go ahead and label that graphed point as -1, 6, so it's easy to figure out where that 6 comes from later when you look at your work. F of -1 is 6. That is the answer. And the last problem, number 10, this time it says f of x equals -2. This time we know the y value and we're trying to find the x value. So it says, essentially in English, it's saying, what is x when y equals -2? This time you're looking for an ordered pair, or maybe 2, where the y value is -2. And you're trying to figure out what is the x value. So if x is 1 and y is -2, well, that will be one of the answers. X equals 1 is one of the answers. It actually happens to also be another answer because there's another point where y is -2. Yeah, it's the one symmetrically opposite it. I'm going to go ahead and label those 2 points. That means the answer for number 10 has 2 answers. It's x equals 1 and x equals 3.